Hi, I'm Andrea Wells. Welcome to Unit 311 at the Kent Condominium. Built in 1915 as an industrial building, the Kent Condominium was converted to a residential loft building in 2005. The Kent Condominium is a full-service doorman building, complete with a beautiful private courtyard, a gym, and a playroom for the kids. This sprawling 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment has over 1,200 square feet, 12-foot ceilings, a bright sunny exposure, and some pretty amazing upgrades, including a designer chef's kitchen with custom concrete countertops and high-end appliances. This home is in pristine condition. What I personally like best about this apartment is the natural light. When the southern light floods into the living room, it completely changes your mood. This condo has been featured in Architectural Digest and West Elm Digital Magazine for its beautiful interior design. In fact, you could buy this apartment with many of the furnishings. After all, the furnishings are pieces selected to accompany this particular space. Other features include tasteful lighting fixtures with dimmers, custom roller solar shades, and Calico designer wallpaper accent walls throughout the home. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'd be delighted to show you this home at any time.